Hello everyone, Jose Gregorio here, and today I'm reviewing the VideoMic Me-L from Rode. This small microphone is designed especially for iPhone and iPad, and let's compare the size of this small microphone. So I have a chopstick here, and next to it the VideoMic Me-L. As you can see here, is slightly larger than a chopstick. Now let's see how this small microphone connects to the iPhone. It connects via this lightning connector that goes right onto the lightning port of the iPhone. And let me show you how this small microphone connects on the iPhone. It connects right on the lightning port. Also, you can flip it over and have the microphone pointing towards your subject. One of very cool features of this small microphone is that comes with this clip that you can use to keep this microphone from falling off. Although I should mention that this it fits pretty tight on the iPhone, so it's optional if you want to use it or not. But for just demonstrations purposes, I'm going to put it right on it, and as you can see here, it fits pretty secure on the microphone. Now it also comes with a dead cat that you can use when you are filming on windy conditions, and this will keep the noise down and record better sound. So another very important feature on this VideoMic Me-L is that also comes with this 3.5 millimeters headphone jack that you can plug in your headphones and listen to your sound while filming. So that's pretty cool thing to have on a small microphone like this. So there you have it, the VideoMic Me-L from Rode. Very rugged small microphone for iPhone and iPad. Now, with all this being said, I did some filming using this small microphone with my iPhone, and let's have a listen. Okay, now you are listening via the VideoMic Me-L using the windscreen. Okay, now I'm recording just with the iPhone without the VideoMic Me-L.
My name is Chris, and I just came to a location to cut a piece of milkweed to feed some caterpillars that I have at home that are growing into monarch butterflies. It's the end of the season, and this is probably the last batch that I'll need. Monarchs are close to endangered and need to be fed and nurtured to continue to grow back to the population that they had before.
Okay, that was the VideoMic Me-L from Rode. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please comment in the box down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, give a thumbs up. And until my next video, I'm Jose Gregorio. Thank you for watching.